Good morning, and happy Earth Day. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and today is the 50th birthday or 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Happy birthday also to Pierce. Today, Earth Day is like reflected, I guess, by wearing green. So I'm wearing my green shirt. It's actually a Positivity Project shirt, which is a program that Glengarry Elementary does for their character education kind of things. So, one of the things I realized yesterday is that some of you may not have been communicated with some of like the parent stuff, some of the information about what's going to happen moving forward with grades and things like that. So, I just want to point out a resource. If you go to the Walled Lake webpage, there's a continuity of learning, and I put the yellow arrow pointing to it. So, that's a pop up. You can click on that, and then you get a menu full of all of the things. You have Mr. Gutman having a video announcement. You have a lot of Q&As, any social emotional supports. I know there's some apps and things for being mindful and meditation, things like you might need to do when you're stressed out. And it just has all the different things. So if you click on the middle school academics, you'll see the schedule, you'll see a Q&A as far as how grades will go and things like that. So hopefully it will help you kind of understand if your parents haven't communicated that to you. As far as our upcycled challenge goes, we're getting some neat projects. Some of you are not putting forth as much time as I think you should. So think about the quality that you're putting forth in this project. But here are some things: a cork coaster, just hot glue and some wine corks, a bird feeder. That's a pretty cool bird feeder, and I can't wait to see maybe pictures of birds enjoying that. A dog toy using an old blanket. I mean, there's a lot of cool things you can do. One of the things that it reminded me of is we have an art store in downtown Brighton. There's all these Michigan artists, and they have this old cigarette machine. So back in the day, people would put coins into a cigarette machine and pull on a little knob, and their cigarettes would come out. You don't see those. It's just not a thing anymore. And so one of the things they've done with repurposing them is they've used the same cigarette type boxes, but they've put art inside of them. So you can go to this store, put your money in or a token, and then pull out, and there was art. And I got a necklace. And so those are resistors from like a circuit board, and they've used like metal clippers to clip off the different things and be able to repurpose them. In this case, they've probably used like soldering and welding and not welding, but like soldering iron to do all those things. But there are things that you can repurpose all around you. So today I said we were going to share on Flipgrid. So I'm going to put a link in our Google Classroom with the Flipgrid link, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the link that will take you right to the Upcycled Challenge. And so you're going to log in with Google. It will go along with your Walled Lake Consolidated Schools email. So I'm going to pick that. And then it will take us to Walled Lake Design Technology, the Upcycled Engineering Challenge. So you're just going to share your upcycled project, and this will go to the design technology community throughout Walled Lake. So all of the middle schools are going to be joining in, hopefully filling this with some fun examples of what they've done this week. And if you don't have your upcycled actual product, you can talk. Just a quick little thing is, this is what I did, this is what I created. So you're going to hit the plus button. When you get the plus button, you're going to see a video on double. And then you can just go ahead and there's a lot of different things you can do if you wanted to put text above your name and things like that. But I just go ahead and record. It's going to count down. And you could say, during my upcycled challenge, I went ahead and used this book to do the egg carton glider throw, blah, blah, blah. Here is my glider. You could see I used an egg carton, and you're going to show and do whatever. Just make sure you tell us and show us what you did if you have the product in front of you. When you're done, you're going to hit that button, and then you're going to hit next. And you could say, during my upcycled channel. And if it sounds good, good. Then what you're going to do is have kind of a thumbnail that will be your Flipgrid kind of start to your video. So it can be a selfie. Now, if you don't feel comfortable putting your face in the selfie, that's fine. You could just have your product and, you know, maybe make sure it's in there somewhere and take a picture. If you are in, like, let's say you are in the picture and you're like this, here's my thing. Or maybe it's just you and you're like, one of the things you can do, so it's such a beautiful picture, right? You can put an emoji over your face. And that is one way you can, you know, kind of mask yourself. And then it will go ahead. You could put your name, the title of your project, if there was a link. I mean, sometimes people put links to their stuff depending on how they're doing it. And then you're going to hit submit video. I'm not going to submit the video because I didn't really make a good video. But that's pretty much how you're going to do Flipgrid. And I hope all of you are enjoying this project. I look forward to seeing quality projects, complete slideshows being turned in so I can award you the point. And I do appreciate those of you that have done the question as far as how online remote learning is going. I really am curious, and I'm going to advocate for you and really share your experiences. I'm curious how everyone's dealing with this remote learning, from families, like parents, to students, to teachers, and just a very unique time. So I appreciate you giving me feedback. Have a great day. Happy Earth Day.